At leathermanstore.com we have two versions of the Charge. This is the ALX model. It has two removable bit drivers. It's a small bit driver, a can/bottle opener. It has pliers, needle nose pliers, a crimper, a wire cutter, a hard wired cutter. On the inside edges of the tool there is a 8-inch ruler. On the outside it has a normal blade and a gut hook cutting blade, which is different than the other Charge model. It has a small saw blade and a file, which is good for metal or wood. Comes with 9 double bits, 2 are already on the tool. Comes with a pocket clip and a sheath, in this case a leather sheath. There are nylon sheaths if I'm not mistaken. Just check leathermanstore.com.